Hi, welcome to Fusion Kitchen. I'm also an author and I've written a number of books and I'm still currently writing. If you're interested, please check out the description box below. Today I'm making buttermilk vadas. Vadas are a fried snack like fritters and they're commonly served with chutneys and sambar. This South Indian buttermilk vada is very popular, especially as a tea time snack, though it can be had either for lunch or dinner, and it is served with chutney. I have served it with a coconut garlic chutney. Now let's start. In a bowl, I have taken about 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk and I have taken 1 cup of poha. Now I have ground the poha till it becomes smooth. Now to this poha in a bowl, I have added 1 cup of rava. Now often half cup of rava is used in making the vadas, but I have used 1 cup of rava, so both work equally well really. I have added half teaspoon of salt and I have added the buttermilk. So the amount of rava you use doesn't make much difference, but I have added 1 cup. Now I have used a spatula, mixed it, and then I've covered it and to rest for about 20 minutes. Now we are going to heat oil till it becomes hot because we are going to deep fry the vadas. Now to this mixture, after 20 minutes, I've added about half teaspoon of red chili powder. I've added half teaspoon of cumin powder. I've added half teaspoon of ginger powder. Then I've added rice flour about 1/4 cup. I've added about 2-3 green chilies which are chopped. I've added about 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. I've added 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. You can use desiccated coconut also, no problem. And I've added half teaspoon of baking soda. Then I've added the water. I've used about 1 cup of water. Now the water that you add is very important. If you add too much water, it becomes too watery. If you add too little water, the vadas can become hard later on because the dough becomes too firm. So basically, I have found around 1 cup of water seems to be adequate enough, though you will have to check when you're making it. Now I've used a whisk and I whisked it. As you can see, the batter is neither too thick nor too watery. I have taken now a slotted spoon when the oil is very hot, and on this greased slotted spoon I have made the vadas. They should look like medu vadas. As you can see, they are not very easy to make. If they are very easy to make and the batter is too thick, you will find the vadas getting hard. Here you can see I made it on the palms of my hand. So basically you can make it both ways, either on the palm of your hand or on the slotted spoon. Then you deep fry it. Lower the flame when you're deep frying it so that it also cooks from inside. Otherwise it will get only burnt from the outside. It will get very brown and on the inside it will remain uncooked. So here again I have greased a slotted spoon. You can wash the slotted spoon periodically so that the old batter is not stuck to the slotted spoon, and grease it. Now we are going to make the coconut garlic chutney. For 1 cup of coconut, I have added half tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of green chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, half teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to grind this chutney in the mixer. Add water as required. It shouldn't be too watery or too thick and dry. Now we are going to prepare the tempering which will be poured over the chutney. First we are going to take 1 tablespoon oil. We are going to have half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add a few curry leaves. Add some red chilies. And just cook it for about 2 minutes or so on low heat. After about 2 minutes, remove, and we are going to pour this tempering over the chutney. Serve now these buttermilk vadas with the coconut garlic chutney. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.